Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? 2 days ago, to I invest in SafeMoon, and I am 100% sure to SafeMoon is going to the moon again now. What's the reason, my friends, to I invest after a very long time? And definitely, this is very danger for all of you. Now, I already told you, my friend, in a thumbnail to this coin will very risky now, and I hope they will move. They will give us a very good profit. So please, my friend, this video is very important for everyone. Don't miss any second, and please, 12,700 people are subscribed to this channel, so that's mean to they are all earn money in a crypto market with ABS channels. If you also want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Just in only in a previous day, my friend, you can see minus 11.6%. This coin will get a loss now. And why? What's the reason? The reason was that, to my friends, in a previous month, my brother, in previous month, absolutely previous day, this coin were dumps down. So therefore, absolutely after a dump, this coin were pumps up. So therefore, I think the reason was that. And the second, my friend, the second reason was that, especially when a short time investor starting selling, so the coin will dumps down. So kindly please try to understand. Alright, my friends, why this coin will fails down in the previous days? The main reasons which I found, my friends, to especially in the start of month, every coin will dumps down, but this coin will pumps up. So therefore, the main reason was that after a jump, this coin will dumps down. So holder, a safe moon will completely go in the moon now. In last 2 days, absolutely this coin will get a profit. So therefore, I also invest. When I see, my friend, this short dump, I am 100% sure to after this dump they will give me a profit. So therefore, I invest. Thanks for watching, holder. Kindly, if you want to earn money in a craft, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.